Hello everyone, welcome back to the series French for Beginners. Today is lesson 21, Family Members. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the family members. Father is père, mother is mère, parents is parents, son is fils, daughter is fille, brother is frère, sister is sœur, nephew is neveu, niece is niece, grandfather is grand-père, grandmother is grand-mère, grandparents is grand-parents, grandson is petit-fils, granddaughter is petite-fille, grandchildren is petits-enfants, uncle is oncle, aunt is tante, cousin male is cousin, cousin who is female is cousine, husband is mari, wife is femme, brother-in-law is beau-frère, sister-in-law is belle-sœur. Let's take a look at some example sentences. For example, la mère de mon père est ma grand-mère. The mother of my father is my grandmother. La fille de mon oncle est ma cousine. The daughter of my uncle is my cousin. Mon père et ma mère sont mes parents. My father and my mother are my parents. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.